This is the last part of the quadratic equation, and after this the quadratic equation will be complete. In this video we will look at the nature of a solution of a equation by and try to do some question. I will request to all of you to complete the syllabus by watching complete the syllabus what I have what I have teach you. So look at the nature of equation. Natures of roots. This is the last topic of a equation. In my video, one of my video, I have told you so about it. So I think this for this topic I make a separate video. So I am doing this video. Let's the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We have a given a quadratic equation. We are trying to solve it. X equal to quadratic equation b equal to plus minus 4ac b square by 4ac equal to 0 by 2. This is we have got it by quadratic formula. There is no problem. So in such cases we introduce you to introduce you that b square minus 4ac c is called discriminant of the quadratic equation. So if b square case 1 minus 4ac is greater than equal to 0, so the two roots are distinct. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then two roots will be equal. If that case b square minus 4ac less than 0, so the roots will be imaginary, which is the beyond your syllabus. There is no question will be asked. So here you can in your question paper there are asked the nature of root. So for this purpose you have it is sufficient to know that the roots of equation is x minus b equal to 0 for this point. So let us take some question and try to explore it in more detail. Let's say the question is demanded that what will be the nature of roots of an equation. If equation x equal to 2x plus 3 equal to 0, so here is a equal to here 1b equal to 2c equal to 3. We get it. B square minus 4ac equal to 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 3, that is equal to 4 minus 12, that is equal to 8, which is less than 0. So the roots will be imaginary. So you get 1 mark in question. Let's take another example. To same question is different. X square plus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Here d equal to, that is d means this minute, that is equal to 5 minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 3, that is equal to 25 plus 12, that is equal to 13, which is greater than 0. So 2 root will be real. So let's take another example which are equal. Let's x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. So listen, here d will be 4 minus 4 whole square, 4 into 4 16 into 16, that is equal to 0. By our condition, the roots are equal. So there are another type of question which are asked in question for what value, question type 2. What value for k the roots will be real. So if we take x equal to 5 kx plus 7 equal to 0. So we take it, since the solution d will be 5k whole square minus 4 into 7, 25 k square, 44 into 7, 28 will be greater than 0, that is equal to 25 k square will be greater than equal to 28. K square will be 28 by 25. K will be greater than equal to 5, 2 root 7. So for k greater than equal to root 2 by 7, the fruits will be real. So in this type of question you can do it, and for this is type of question given in your last exercise of your Ncert book. So thank you for watching my video. I have completed all topic. For one thing you will be notice in my video that there is some problem of the handwriting, so you can manage it a big because I am trying but not able to do this. Not has done it but not interested. I will show not say that this is not interested. My main motto is to study the things. There is no necessity of law the to go to the detail and so more etc. Thank you for watching. Next book video will come on the introduction of trigonometry and and next video after completing the introduction of trigonometry we will come from the and its application. Thank you for